we are still talking about the same topic, metric and imperial measures. So in this lesson today, lesson number 2, we are focusing only on practice. So now let me remind you, please, do not use a calculator in this one. You can use mental strategies. That's how you can improve mental strategies. After that, you check using your calculator whether you have done it correctly. Now, for instance, what we are talking about in this exercise, this is an exercise. Convert 1.25 to grams. Right, 1.25 grams. What are we talking about here? We are saying that changing these bigger units to smaller units, which means kgs to smaller units, which means what do we do? Right, so if we are moving from bigger units to smaller units, as we said earlier on, we multiply by what? So it means how many grams make a kilogram? 1000. So in this case here, you multiply by 1000. So when you are multiplying by 1000 here, we learn about multiplication of decimal numbers multiplied by 1000 using mental strategies. What do we do? What does the decimal comma does? So if it moves how many decimal places? It moves about 3 decimal places. Is it forward or backwards? So it means if you are multiplying, it moves forwards. If you are dividing, it moves backwards. So the same applies again. If you can go down to number, let's talk about these ones. All these ones, they are moving from bigger quantities to smaller units. So now what we want to remember only in this lesson is about what do we do if we are moving from bigger units to smaller. Do we multiply or divide? If we multiply, so what are we going to do to these decimal points? How many decimal places are they going to move? Are they going to move how many? If it is 3, you move. It is backwards, you move backwards. How many decimal places? So this is all about this exercise. So in this exercise, what we are focusing to only is about practice. So I want you to quickly convert and find your answer. You copy the question as it is. At the end, you write your answer. At the end, you write your answer. You write your answer at the end. So at the end here, if you are multiplying, you copy this question like 1.25 kgs. So you say equals to 1.25 multiplied by 1000, then you give me the answer. If you are dividing, you copy the question, then you say divide by whatever you are dividing with, then you get the answer. So that is what we want to do in this exercise. So you can do it properly, then you send the answers to me. Thank you very much.